Hello everybody, this is Noreen from Joya Cards and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and welcome to my YouTube channel, yay! For more of my Stampin' Up! Card videos, please hit that subscribe, and then there's a little bell, and if you click on the bell, you'll be notified when I post new videos, so that's always good to have. Okay, there are two things that are happening like right now. This is June 20th, 2022, but tomorrow, June 21st, 2022, Stampin' Up! Is doing their free shipping day. You order $75 worth of products and all the shipping after that is free. So that's really good, especially if you're a demonstrator. I have a lot of demonstrator subscribers and this is like a big thing. So if you need like inks and papers and all that, that's a great time to do all your supplies. The other thing is there's a BOGO going on, and I don't know if everyone's aware of it or not, but Stampin' Up! Has kits, not only just like your paper pumpkin kits, but they have other card kits that you can purchase, and it's really not in the catalog very well. There's really only like one page. I'll pull out my laminated catalog here. I have a video on laminated catalogs. Just go on my, just look through my YouTubes or go to my website, joyofcards.com, and you'll see it. But here are the card kits, and it really doesn't go over it very much. You do need to just contact me and email me, but let me show you what this looks like on the website. Now this is just the normal website, so I haven't signed into my demonstrator site at all, but there's a kits collection here, and that is card kits, crafting kits, and notebook kits, and they're all buy one get one 50% off. So this is really good, and if you need some more flyers on this, I'll get them for you. But here is, when we go to card kits, you can go here and look at all these really cool card kits, and let's like we'll go on one, and what it includes is your card bases, the envelopes. You get an ink spot, you get stamps and all kinds of die cuts and doohickeys. Oh, there's a block in this one. There's embellishments, and this is what the stamps are for that particular kit, and it's buy one get the second one off. So you can get this one for $21 and get another one for $10.50. So and you can just place an order online here. So go to Noreen Brungard. I know that's a lot of words. Noreen Brungard, B as in boy, RUNGARDT.stampinup.net. I'll just put it right here. And then my host code for June. And this, when is this up? Actually, I just looked, and this is only for the month of June. So here's another one right here. And if you just go on that one, it'll show you everything in the kit. And I think that's the same as the other one. They have different languages that you can do. Whoopsie. Sorry about that, I clicked on the wrong thing. And then here's the kindness card kit, and look at that one, it's really nice. And go back, and they have the ones with the robots if you're into the kid kind of stuff. Here's what comes with it. Here's the stamp, and go back. I mean, here's a birthday kit one that has all that in it, and it looks like they all come with ink and a little block. Now those won't be like the thick blocks like these. These are the most fabulous because they give you the grip on them. I think they're the thinner ones, but hey, a block is a block. Here's a Christmas one if you want to get a head start on your Christmas cards. That's always a good thing. I might sound a little funny. I just got Invisalign, so I figured at 56 I might as well straighten out my teeth a little bit. Anyway, so I sound a little weird. Here is the butterfly kit. So that's really pretty. And I mean, there are all these other kits, and they all count. And that's just the card kits. There are other kits too. There are the crafting kits here, and they're also BOGO. So all these crafting kits, and I bet, you know, because it doesn't really show you that much in the regular annual catalog, that these things are there. And then here's the I love this memory notebook kit, and it comes with all this stuff here. So these are really great. And don't forget, Celebration is going on. That's why they're doing the free shipping. They always do it right before Celebration and the mini catalog. So here's the mini catalog. Here's Celebration. I can't open it up yet. They won't let me, or I'll go to Stampin' Up! Jail. But I can show you that the next video I'm doing, just in a couple of days, is one of the Celebration items. And it's the hippiest hippos, and it's so cute. Anyway, but I just wanted to let you know, month of June, you can get those card kits, buy one, get one, 50% off. And then tomorrow, June 21st, is the free shipping day on $75 or more. So anyway, I'll put my email, it should always be there right now. And I've also got my host code, which is TMZ927CF. If you're ordering under $150, use the host code. If you order over $150, do not use the host code, because you'll get the host rewards, or the rewards, I guess. And for, you know, it's like 15% over like $150. So $150 is $15 that you can use on free stuff on that order. So those are the kind of rules. But anyway, that'll do it for me. Thanks. Bye.